Okay, I have three files open here. The first file on the upper right corner is a spreadsheet for 7 teachers, the class schedules, the weekly class schedules for 7 teachers. And it is in Excel format, and I've opened it in Apple numbers because I wrote a script that reads the data for Apple numbers, and it was easier to script Apple numbers than Excel. All right, so the purpose of this script is to convert this spreadsheet into a format that can be opened in Apple Calendar or any calendar application. So this would be like 7 teachers, like 33 classes, hundreds of lessons. So let's click play and let's see how it works. Okay, it's asking me the first day of the semester. I'll just say it's let's choose a date in the future. Today is April 9th. Let's say April 13th is the first day of the semester. 4/13/26. Just want to confirm. Yes. And the last day of the semester, let's put it a month ahead. So May 13th. It's going to confirm. Press OK. This is the numbers spreadsheet I have open, and there are multiple worksheets. I'm going to choose the one that has the worksheet that has the weekly timetable. Click OK.
Getting class names.
So the script
Grabbing data from the number spreadsheet. There are 7 teachers and rooms. Ready to create calendars and events. This will delete previous calendars with the word year.
Yes.
Deleting previous calendars with the word year or Y1 or Y2 in it. Creating one calendar for each class. Creating events.
As you can see, it's super fast.
Creating one calendar for each teacher. Creating events. Changing the time zone to the Chinese time zone.
And I believe the script is finished running. Let's zoom into the calendar to see what it did. Okay, you can see on the left side, it created all these calendars, one calendar for each class. Each class has 3 or 4 lessons. And also, if I wanted to view all the classes by teacher, it also created one calendar for each teacher. So if I hide all these, okay, so if I wanted to see all the lessons that I have for this week for this class, 1DD1, I have 3 classes, one on Monday, Wednesday, Friday. Let's hide that. Let's say I want to see all the lessons and I have for all my classes. This is my weekly schedule. Let's say I want to have a meeting with Bob, and let's see when me and him don't have a class, and then we can meet at this time slot or this time slot. So this is what you can do with Apple Script. You can convert an Excel spreadsheet and convert the timetable into an Apple Calendar, and then you can export it as an ICS calendar file, which can be opened in Excel or any calendar app you want to use.